Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to multiply monomial by a binomial. So in the multiplication of polynomial, in the last class we have learned how to multiply two monomial or more monomial. Here when I multiply a monomial, that is 5x, with another monomial 3xy, so first thing we do, multiply the coefficient. So 5 into 3 and then x into x. So x into xy. 5 3s are 15. As the base is same, x raised to 1, x raised to 1. We add and it is 2. Like here, when the base is same, to multiply just simply add the power. And this is y. So answer is 15x square y. If there are more monomials, we follow the same process. Multiply the coefficient 3, 5 and 2 together. Then multiply all the variables. Here a raised to 2, 1 and 2 total 5. Same way for the b की power. And the same formula, base same, add powers. Now here what we are trying to learn, multiply a monomial by a binomial. So what we do? See, if there is a 3x which is monomial, but the second term, that is 5y plus 2, is a binomial, we use distributive property. What is that? We take the first monomial, whatever the number is, and give to each and every term of the second bracket. So 3x into 5y, then there is a plus and plus. So plus and plus, in multiplication give plus. So this is 3x into 2. I'll revise the rule here again. In multiplication, if there is a same sign, you get plus. So even plus plus will also give you plus in multiplication. But if they are different sign, minus plus or plus minus, it gives minus. Now here, as previously, if there is a 2 monomial, just multiply their coefficient. So 3 5s are 15, xy will give you simple xy. Here the coefficient is 3 2s are 6 and x. Now as they are different variable, we cannot add them together. If there would have been like term, we could have added it. Same way here, there is a square, then 2ab minus 5c. So again distribute a square to this and also to the second term. So what will happen? A square multiplied by 2ab, then there is a plus, nothing means plus, and here minus. So 1 is plus, 1 is minus. When it is different sign in multiplication, what we do? It is minus. So a square into 5c. There is no coefficient, means 1. So 1 into 2, 2. Base is same, so add power 2 here and nothing, means 1 here. So a cube and b. Here no other coefficient, only 5. Here is 1. So 5a square c. This is the answer. Now multiplying a monomial by a trinomial. So when we multiply a monomial and a trinomial, what we do? There is no such a question. It is something different. I'll explain here. Suppose I have 3x square and I need to multiply with a trinomial written here. So same way, suppose it is 5x square y minus 2x plus 3 is there. Again you have to distribute this number to all of them, here, then here and then here. So what will happen? 3x square into 5x square y, again plus minus will give you minus. 3x square into 2x, then 3x square into 3. I'll write here. So plus and plus, same sign will give you plus 3x square into 3. So these two are monomial. Simplify by multiplication. First multiply coefficient, 3 5s are 15. Base same, add power and then y. Minus Coefficient 3 2s are 6 and then x square and nothing means 1, it is 3. And 3 3s are 9 x square. No two terms are like terms, so we have to leave the answer here. Now moving to this special case, what it says, simplify the expression and evaluate them as directed. Means what? We have to multiply here, no sign. See, there is x and then bracket, no sign in between, means it is multiplication. And after solving, substitute x is equals to 1. So what we will do? Here I will distribute x to this term and this one. Remember, as bracket closes here, I need not to multiply x with these two because this is outside the bracket. And only these two terms are in multiplication. So x into x, first and first term, then here plus and minus will give you minus. X into 3 and at the end there is a 2. Then x and x base same, power add 3, then 3x and then there is a 2. Now it says put x is equals to 1. So what I'll do, wherever I have x, I'll substitute x. So I'll write here for x is equals to 1. I have polynomial x square 3x plus 2. So it is 1 square. In place of x, I substituted 1 and 1 ka square. Then 3 into 1 and then 2. Remember, I have to substitute x. Wherever you can see x, I'll substitute 1. Simple. X, in place of x, put 1. So it is 1 minus 3 plus 2. Same sign is addition. So 1 and 2 are same sign. So they will get added up. It is 3 and then this minus 3 will give you answer 0. Coming to this question here, I have to multiply these and for y is equals to minus 2. So what will happen? I will distribute these first. So 3y multiplied by 2y, then 3y multiplied by 7. Which sign will come here? Use this thing. So whenever there is a different sign, minus plus or plus minus will come minus. So plus ka 3y minus 7 will give me minus 3y into 7. Then here minus 3 and y. 3y will get multiplied only till here because it is in bracket. Then minus 3 into y. Here it is minus 3 and minus 4. As it is of same sign, minus and minus will give me plus. So 3 into 4. At the end there is minus 63. Then 3 2s are 6, simple multiplication. 7 3s are 21y minus 3y and then this is y plus 12 minus 63. Now 6y square, these are like terms, minus 21y minus 3y. So these will get added up, same sign, and then here they are of different sign, like term and different sign, so we need to subtract. So this will come minus 51. Now it says y is equals to minus 2. So I have to substitute that. So let me do that in the next slide because there is a no space. So what was the question? 6y square minus 24y. 6y square minus 24y minus 51. Let me check again. Yes, 6y square minus 24y minus 51 and y ka value is minus 2. So substitute y is equals to minus 2. Means wherever you see y, put minus 2. So 6 minus 2 square minus 24 into minus 2 and then minus 1. What will happen? 6. Now minus 2 has a square. Means what? Minus 2 and again minus 2. So what is happening? Exactly it is 2 minus. So when there is a 2 minus, it will become plus and 2 2s are 4. Remember, whenever a negative number has even power, will give me positive some number. But if minus number, any negative number has odd power, the answer will be minus and then the number. Okay? So here it is minus 2 power 1, which is exactly odd. So minus 2 minus, and here also 24 also has minus. So minus minus plus. 24 into 2 minus 51. Then 6 into 4 is 24. 24 into 2, 48 minus 51. These two are of same sign. Add that is 72 minus 51. So this will give me what? 1 and then 2. 21 is my answer. Now moving to the next question. It says add these two. Means what? We have to multiply first these two and then add. So I can rewrite this as 5m 3 minus m. Then it says add. So put plus sign. 6m square minus 13m. Now as we multiply a monomial with binomial, distribute these two. So what will happen? 5m into 3 plus minus minus 5m into m. Now the next term 6m square minus 13m. Now multiply the coefficient. 5 3s are 15m minus 5m square here, and then 6m square minus 13m. 15m, can you see, one second, there we have like terms. This and this is like term. So I'll separate that. 15m minus 13m. And then 5m square and 6m square. They are of like terms, different signs, so subtract. 15 minus 13, 2m, and here 5 and 6, they are of different sign. Again subtract and sign of the bigger number. So 6 minus 5, which is 1, and then plus sign of the bigger number. Now similarly the next question, it says again add. So what we have to do? First multiply a monomial with this is, what is this? Mono or tri? Yes, it is trinomial. Same way here, and then we have to add. So we can rewrite it. 4y, 3y square, 5y minus 7. Then because it says add, put plus sign. Then 2y cube minus 4y square plus 5. Here what you can do? Directly you can distribute, like 4y into 3y square. What it will come? 4 and 3, 12. Y and y square, base same, power add. Same way here, plus and plus will give me plus. I am multiplying this term with the second. So 5 4s are 20, 5 and 4, y square, plus minus minus 4 7s are 28y. Same way, multiply 2 inside. So here nothing means 1. 2y cube plus minus minus. 2 4s are 8y square. 2 5s are 10. And then here I can separate the like term. This is cube and this is also y cube. So 12y cube plus 2y cube. Then I have here square and here also square. So 20y square minus 8y square, and then I have constant term. So 12y cube, 2y cube, it is both is same sign. So add 14y cube. Here they are of different signs. So subtract and sign of the bigger number. 20 minus 8 is 12y square, and then I have 10. So this is the final answer. Now let's subtract. So we have learned, it says subtract this from this. So the term written after from, right? From this I have to write first. So 2pq, p plus q. What we have to subtract? Subtract this. So write that with the minus sign as it is subtraction. Now again distributive property, multiply these with this, again same this with this. So 2 ones are 2, p and p, p square q as it is. Then nothing here means plus, plus and plus will give me plus 2p q square. Now here what I have to do, this is minus, this is plus. So plus minus minus 3p square cube, and then this minus and this minus. I have to again distribute, correct, this and then this. So minus and minus plus 3p q square, correct. Now the time to separate the like term, 2p square q and then this minus 3p square q, and then take 2p q square, this term, and then this 3p q square. Here p has a square, q does not have. So I need to search the same term where p has a square. So that is this, and q does not have. They are of different sign. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1, and we don't write 1. So minus p square q. 2 and 3, which is 5, and then this is the answer. So subtraction we have learned. Most of the time people have doubt, like we have to take this then minus this, or first this and then minus this. So that is why where written from. After that you take the first term. So it is written from here. Here is from, right? So write this term first and then the first term. Okay? Okay. So let's move to the exercise. So what is there in the exercise? Same thing. What we have done till now, we have to do the same to same. Correct? Okay. So first question says, carry out the multiplication of the expression and each of the following. So what I can do, I can explain this question and I can explain this one and take one more. Which one? Let's do this or this. Let's do this. This will look bigger. Okay. So when it says multiply, so AB, and then you can put also the multiplication sign and then bracket A minus B. Then distribution, this into this. So AB into A, plus and minus minus, then AB into B. Like term, so power add. Here again A as it is, then B has at two places, so add power. Doing this, what will happen? Like this. Remember one thing, while multiplication you can switch the terms. Like this is written first, you can write this as first. So does not make any difference. A plus B. Why I am writing like this? This makes your calculation little easier while doing distribution. So distribute it to both the term. 7a square b square into a. Same way here. 7a square b square into b. So there is no other coefficient. Multiply 7 a square and there is a 1 power. So what will happen? A cube. Yes. And here 7 a square, here b power 2 and 1. So this will come b cube. They are different terms. Here a have cube, but here a does not have cube. So it means they are not like term. We cannot add them. Okay. Let's see this sum. This is the simplest question ever, you can say. PQ, QR and RP. We are multiplying it with 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. It's a number or it is algebra, does not matter. Means even the polynomial when multiply 0 will give you 0. Correct? Let's move to the, see, next question is this. So it says complete the table. Complete the table means again multiply. So which one to do? The first one is simple, right? Just multiply A with other number. So it will come AB, AC and then AD. AB plus AC plus AD. So let's do the second question. And also we can try which one? Let's do the fourth question. Remaining you can do as homework. It is not very difficult. Again, if you have any query, just mark the question in the comment box. I will reply whenever you will ask me doubt. Okay. So multiply these two. So it says x plus y minus 5 multiplied by 5xy. Correct? So as I said, you can change the sequence. So I'll write 5xy first and then x plus y minus 5. Then distribute 5xy, give to every terms inside. So this will give you 5xy into x, plus will give me plus, again 5xy into y, plus and minus will give me minus 5xy into 5. This is giving me 5, x and x is square. Here 5 xy is square. Here 5 5s are 25 xy. So it's a simple, right? Coming to the fourth question, it says 4p square, we are solving the fourth one. 4p square q square multiplied with by p square and q square. So again distribution property, 4p square q square, give this to everyone, correct? And that is p square plus minus minus 4p square q square into q square. What will happen? Here no other coefficients, only 4. P square and p square, base same power add, and then q square. Again 4, p square, q square and q square, q raised to 4. So this is our answer. By the time you are expert now, so we can do the next question. It looks different, difficult, but it is not. It is very simple question. It's a 3 monomial we are multiplying. So what is happening? I have a square, I have 2a raised to 22, then I have 4a raised to 26. Both are monomial, multiply their coefficient. Here nothing means 1 I take. So 2 into 4, these 2 and 4, and then base a square, a raised to 22, a raised to 26. What will happen? 2 4s are 8, and then a raised to, I have 2, then I have 22 and 26. Base same. In multiplication, add all the power. So this will give me 8, a raised to 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10, carry on 1, and this will give me 5. Correct? So the power is 50. 8a raised to 50. Let's do all of the sum. You might feel difficulty. So I am trying to give the answer for all. But I will say you pause the video. Try to solve the sum if you understood the concept, and then match the answer when I'll do it. Okay? So you can practice. You will gain some confidence. Here 2 by 3 xy, then I have minus 9 by 10 x square y square. They are monomial, so simply multiply. So plus minus will give me minus. Multiply the coefficient first into xy into x square y square. See, most of the time people get confused when to take LCM. We take LCM only when there is a plus or minus sign in between. But here I have multiplication, so I don't take LCM. I do simple cutting. 3 1s are 3 3s are. 2 1s are 2 5s are. And suppose they would have been something 2 by 3 plus 9 by 10. Then we make the denominator before doing addition or subtraction. So here it is minus. 1 into 3 is 3, 1 into 5 is 5. X raised to, here I have 1 and then 2. Add that, then y, 1 and 2 I have 3. This is the answer. Coming to the next question. It's exactly same like this, but still I am giving answer here. I request to pause, solve and then match the answer. Because if you understood the concept, you can do that. In this question, I'll write 10 by 3. Both are monomial. So take the coefficient first and then their variables. What will happen? Again, as it is in multiplication, do the cutting. So 3 1s are 3 2s are 5 1s are 5 2s are. Minus and minus. Sorry, there is a minus and this is plus. So plus minus minus 2 2s are 4. Now there is a p variable. So here I have power 1. So when we add, it is 1 and 3. P raised to 1 and p raised to 3 will give me a total 4. And then I have cube, power 3 and 1. So it is power 4. 3 plus 1, 4. Coming to the next question. Again it is, you can say, the simplest question. I do not have any coefficient. So need not to multiply that. Then I have variable x and power here I have 1. Here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Just add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. What it will be? 1 plus 2, 3, 3 and 3, 6, 6 and 4, 10. So x is to 10. This is the final answer. I hope you understood so well, because it's a polynomial and we have learned this in the previous exercise as well. Now question 4a says, simplify this and find its value for x is equals to 3 and x is equals to 1 by 2. We have done this before. What we have to do? Multiply first. Then substitute x ka value 3. Means wherever you see x, substitute 3. And in the second case, again whatever you have multiplied, put x is equals to 1 by 2. So we will do 1 by 1. So here first it says 3x in bracket 4x minus 5 and then 3. It's a monomial. It is binomial. Multiply it. Means distribute. So 3x into 4x plus minus minus 3x into 5 and then plus 3. 3 4s are 12 x square, right? 1 and 1, 2 power. 5 3s are 15x and then 3. There is no like term, so this is our final answer. Good? Okay. Now take x is equals to 3. So first question says x is equals to 3. Substitute this value. So 12x square, 15x, and then 3. What will happen? 12x I have here, so substitute 3. 3 square minus 15, x here means put 3 and then 3. Now here don't get confused that people multiply 12 into 3 and then do square. No. According to board mass, you read this as P board mass. Means before bracket you need to solve for power. So 12 into 3 ka square is 9. Then 15 into 3 and then 3. What will happen? 12 9s you have to do. If you know table, very good. Otherwise you can multiply. 9 2s are 18 and then 9 plus 1, 8. It is always recommended to learn the table till 25. I know we can multiply the things. But if you learn the table, this will make your calculation faster, and even during factorization, this will really help you. Now this 15 3s are 45 and then 3. This and this is positive sign, add that. So it is 111 minus 45. We can subtract. 11 minus 5 is 6. Then here 11, the way you subtract, do that. So here again 6 and that is 66. Correct? How we can check whether our subtraction is correct or not? See, we got answer these, we have subtracted this. If you add these two, the answer should be this, right? So 5 and 6, 11, carry on 1, 6 and 4, 10 and 11. See, it is coming, means the answer is correct. Correct? The answer you got, the things you subtracted, as add those two. You'll get final answer. Now the second part is still left. X is equals to 1 by 2. Substitute the value. So 12 in place of x. I have this polynomial, so I am not writing it again. But while solving an exam, you have to do that. X ka value is 1 by 2 and it's square. Minus 15. X ka value 1 by 2 plus 3. Here 12 and see, when there is a fraction and we need to square that, square the numerator thing. 1 ka square is 1 only, 2 ka square is 4. Means if you have something, I'll write here 1 by 2 ka square, you can write 1 ka square divided by 2 ka square, right? And here 15 by 2 and then plus 3. We can do the cutting. This is in multiplication. Here I need to take LCM, but here I can do the cutting. So 4 ones are 4 threes are. It is coming 3 minus 15 by 2 plus 3. Correct? Now here I'll shift this little bit at the below so that I can get space to solve it. 1 minute. Yeah. So what is happening here? This and this is same sign, so it is 6. 6 minus 15 by 2. Here I have to take LCM. See, there is a minus in between. So denominator nothing means 1. I'll use this space. So multiplied by 2 to make the denominator equal. So 12 upon 2 minus 15 upon 2. Right? Here denominator is same. 12 minus 15. Different sign, subtract, and sign of the bigger number. So this is my answer. Correct? Let's move to the next question. What it is saying? Simplify this and find its value at a is equals to 0, a is equals to 1 and a is equals to minus 1. So we have multiplied a monomial with the trinomial so many times. So I would recommend that you solve it. I'll show you this value, right? So pause and solve and then match the answer what I'm writing here. Okay? So a into a square will give me a cube, right? Here power 1, here power 2, a square. Then a into a square. Then a into 1 is a plus 5. This is the answer. You can match. Now it says substitute a is equals to 0. Okay, so first part when a is 0. So 0 ka cube here, then 0 ka square, then 0 and then 5. Everything is 0 except 1, so answer is 5. Correct? Second part says a is equals to 1. Okay, substitute here. A raised to 3 means 1 raised to 3, then 1 square, then 1 plus 5. 1 ka whatever power you put, it is always 1, then 1, then 1 and then 5. Add that. 1 plus 2, 1, 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 5, 8. Still I have third part. So a is equals to minus 1. Substitute that. Minus 1 and then 3. This is wrong way of writing. When there is a value is negative and it is a cube, so put bracket. Because if you write simply minus 1 raised to 3, it means the 3 is only for 1, not for minus sign. Correct? So whenever there is a minus sign or more than one terms, always put this bracket. Then what I have? A square. So a ka value is minus 1 and its square. Then there is a plus and a ka value minus 1. Correct? I hope till here everything is crystal clear. In case doubt, please comment. So we have learnt any number with negative and have odd power. The answer will come negative. Odd power is giving me negative. So it is minus 1. Any number, even power, it will give me plus. So outside plus, inside plus will give me plus. 1 chi square is 1. Then here plus and minus will give me minus 1 and then 5. So what is happening? See, minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Minus 1 plus 5 is 4. Or you can do another way. The same sign there is addition. So 1 plus 5 is 6. Minus 1 and minus 1 is minus 2. This way also you are getting the same answer. Correct? The next question, let's see what it says. Yes, it says add. So here I have 3 terms from here to here 1, then comma, this is second and this is third. I need to multiply all of them and then add. Okay. So let's see the question. Here also I'll make little space because I can see it is little less. Okay. So let's start. First I'll write the question. It says multiply, yeah, means nothing there, it means multiplication, and then plus because it says add, second term, then add, and then third term. Till now we are expert in multiplication. Just multiply p and p square, plus minus minus, and then q square, plus minus minus qr, r square, plus minus minus rp. Check we have like terms. So first I'll write all the square term first because I can see clearly. Minus pq, no other term, so write minus pq, minus qr, and minus rp. No like terms are there, so simply we can write as it is. See the next one. Again we have to add. So 2x, z minus x minus y, it says add, so simply add. It is 2, what I am doing, even I don't know. 2y, then bracket z minus y minus x. What will happen? 2x and into x means 2xz plus minus minus 2x square. I have multiplied this with this, then 2x and x, 2x square, plus minus again minus, then 2x into y. Correct? I need to multiply the term outside with every term inside. Then next 2yz here minus 2y square minus 2xy. Check for like terms if we have. So first write the square wala term, 2x square minus 2y square. 2xz, do I have another term 2xz? No. So plus 2xz. 2xy here, and I have one more. So minus 2 and minus 2, same sign, it is addition, and 2yz. Okay. Now this was quite simple. Now coming to the subtraction thing. Okay, here this from this. So we have learned so many times the from wala terms come first. So here 4l, 10n minus 3n plus 2l. Then I need to subtract. So it is 3l, l, this is not 31, l, minus 4m, and then 5n. Multiply it, 4 and 10, 40, l, not m, it is n. Then plus, and here minus will give me minus, 4 3s are 12, ln. Then 4 2s are 8, ll, l square. Now here main comes. Here I have 3l minus ka. When you multiply inside, just take the sign or simply shortcut reverse the sign. So this is plus, make it minus, 3l square. This is minus, take it plus, 4 3s are 12, ln. This is plus, take minus, 5 3s are 15, ln, right? Or simply plus minus minus, minus minus plus, minus plus minus, any of the method you can use. But I will prefer to take that reversing a sign. You need not to apply any brain, just simply reverse the sign will work well. Here I'll write the like terms together. So 8l square minus 3l square, these two done. 40 ln, oh, I think I did make mistake, this is m, so I'll write here m, right? Okay, so ln, this one 15 ln, then lm, here I have 12 lm, and here also plus 12 ln. Can you see this is same sign, so I can do the cancellation. And here 8 minus 3, different sign, subtraction, bade number ka sign. Then 40 minus 15, it is 25, and then ln, right? This is my answer. Coming to the next question, and this is the last question of the exercise. So again it says subtract these complete from this. So from wala term will come first. We have learned that 4c minus a plus b and plus c. I need to subtract, so put bracket sign. Remember one thing, there is already one bracket, right, here and here. So I am putting minus sign. This minus sign is for the entire term. So here the small bracket will not do because a small bracket is already have been used. Take big bracket and then write this complete term. ठीक है? A plus b plus c, then there is a minus sign, then a minus b plus c. Correct? Why I use the big bracket? Because this minus sign is going to work for all of them. Now simply multiply. Plus minus minus 4ac. This is 4b and c. Then 4c square. There is minus sign. Let's solve the things inside first. Then we'll go to changing the sign. So 3a into a, 3a square. Here I have to distribute everything we have seen in so many questions. So 3ab and then 3ac. This is done. Then there is a minus sign. So again this is minus sign outside the brackets. All the sign inside will get changed. A is positive. So multiply 2a and reverse the sign. 2ab. Minus and minus plus 2b square. Minus and plus minus 2b and c. Right? Now minus 4ac, 4b and c, 4c square. Again minus sign. Why I have not opened the bracket yet? Because there might be some like term which we need to solve. So I'll write the square ka term first. 3a square, 2b square. This and this is done. Now 3ab. Can you see here also minus 2ab? So 3ab minus 2ab. Then 3ac and minus 2bc. Correct? Now minus 4ac, 4bc, 4c square. Here minus sign outside, 3 and 2. I cannot add. See, this is a square and this is b square. Don't get confused. 3ab minus 2ab. Yes, they are all like terms and different signs, so subtraction. Then 3ac minus 2bc. I'll write final answer here. From here I am moving to here. So minus 4ac. I can take different slide, but the thing is it will take so much transferring the data. Now change the sign inside. So these 3 are positive, 4 are positive. I'll write negative sign. 3a square, 2b square, minus ab, minus 3ac, and the last term is positive. Correct? Because it was minus. Now here can you see minus 4ac and minus 3ac. They are like term. So minus 4ac minus 3ac. This and this is done. Now there is a 4bc and here also have 2bc plus. This and this is done. Then I have 4c square. This I have not copied it. Yeah, I have not. So minus 3a square minus 2b square. Then I have minus ab at the end. Okay. Now what will happen? I'll just put this. Minus 4ac minus 3ac minus 7ac, 4bc and 2bc, that is 6bc. Till here done. Can you see the equal sign? There the term is starting and there the new steps is starting. So bc is done. Remaining term will come as it is because there is no other like term. So 4c square minus 4 3a square minus 2b square and minus ab. This is the final answer. Sorry, there is some space constraint. I'll try to put the big question in a single slide so that it won't be a problem copying the thing. Okay. Well done. We have done the exercise. You just need to practice one more time. This will really help improve your concept And once the concept is clear, I'll tell you, you will rank first in the class. And I say this way, see, you have studied everything, so you should get full marks, right? If you have studied full, get full, correct? That is why I will say study, practice. Take care and bye-bye.